Presenting the 2001 Ford Taurus L. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat, passenger illuminated visor mirror, power mirror, power steering, CD changer, front reading lamps, power door locks, and driver illuminated vanity mirror. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.